Last year, in association with the TCC team, I brought you my comedy mentalism piece, the Oddest Ball. And now, perfect for your close-up, the Oddest Coin. It's a comedy lie detection routine. You tell them every single time they remove one of the coins while you're looking the other way, they have to tell you it's the silver coin. And you can tell them that they're correct, it is the silver coin, because you know that they're telling the truth. But at any time they can take out the copper coin and they have to lie to you. They have to lie and say it's the silver coin, but you'll know they're lying. When they take out the copper coin and try to lie, you know straight away, not because you're analysing their voice, because the alarm sounds, the whole stand starts to vibrate. It's comedy light relief during your mentalism routine. It will bring the house down.
The Oddest Coin has the same sense of mystery and surprises as the Oddest Ball. Along with exquisite craftsmanship, we selected the finest North American walnut to craft its shell, as its high-end antique texture enhances the suspense of the effect. The internal circuit is 100% stable and reliable, making it incredibly easy to maintain. The set includes 5 half-dollar size coins, but of course, you can also use regular coins of a similar size that are more suited to your country.
You're going to have a lot of fun with the Oddest Coin.